Hi, VMan Southeast Asia. I'm Pablo of SB19 from the Philippines.
Hi, Viman Southeast Asia. I'm Josh of SB19 from the Philippines.
Hi VMan Southeast Asia, I'm Stelf SB19 from the Philippines.
Hi V-Man Southeast Asia. I am Ken of SB19 from the Philippines.
Hi, Viman Southeast Asia. I am Justin of SB19 from the Philippines.
Congratulations SB19 dahil sila ang cover ng V-Man Southeast Asia. Grabe na talagang SB19, no? In a world obsessed with instant virality, SB19 is a slow burn that refuses to fizzle out. Napakaganda, hindi ba? Kaya naman narito mga official photos para sa magazine na ito na Southeast Asian Issue. So enough for that at narito ang mga official photos ng SB19. Let's start with Stel. Napakaganda, napaka-demure, napaka-pretty nitong si Stel, no, sa kanyang look. Alam mo yon, yung parang napakagandang lalaki talaga. Habang itong si Pablo, si Pinuno, no, parang it shows his personality dito. Parang napaka-shy and yet kapag perform na laban kung laban. Ganun ang atake niya. Habang itong si Josh, talagang kung astigan ng labanan, talagang got na got niya talaga ako doon. Habang itong si Justin, no, napaka-decent, napaka-demure. Itong si, ano naman, si Ken or Philip, no, parang he's shy and yet napakaangas ng dating. Napakaganda ng mga litrato at mga posing nila. Kuhang-kuha talaga nila ako. Kaya naman, samahan natin sila dito sa issue na ito dahil you can subscribe for exclusive early access to the full e-magazine for 275 per month at vman-c.com and flip through the digital pages before it hits newsstands. And wait, there's more. You can get a copy on Sari Sari Shopping and get one random photo card per copy. Collect them all, mga 18!